I'm Tamika from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install the Graco Turn2Me 3-in-1 car seat forward-facing with a vehicle seatbelt. The Turn2Me 3-in-1 car seat rotates from rear-facing for a face-to-face connection with baby to get them in and out of the car with ease. Before you install, you'll need to know how to use the turn feature. The turn levers are located underneath each armrest. You only need to use one to turn the seat. At the same time, squeeze the blue trigger and the gray lever and rotate the car seat. You'll hear a click, which means that the seat is secured in position. First, remove the infant inserts, since you can only use these in rear-facing mode. Make sure the car seat is rotated in the forward-facing position. The arrow should point to the orange and green label indicating forward-facing. Unhook the tether strap from the storage location and place it in your car seat. Make sure the lower anchor attachment is properly stored in the storage location at the base. Recline the car seat to one of the 4 forward-facing positions using the actuator at the front of the seat. If your child is under 25 pounds, you must use Recline 2 or 3. Place the car seat forward-facing in the back seat of your vehicle. Slide the car seat until it touches the back of the vehicle seat. Make sure at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Your car should be on a flat surface. Take the tether strap behind the car seat and underneath the headrest. We'll attach this later. Check the level indicator to make sure that the bubble is within the orange range for forward-facing. Expose the forward-facing belt path by raising the headrest to its highest position and undoing the snaps on the seat pad. You may need to move the harness straps out of the way. Open the snug lock lock-off by using the gray lever. Route the vehicle seat belt through the orange forward-facing belt path. Make sure the belt is flat and not twisted. Buckle the seat belt. Press down on the center of the seat and remove slack. Pull on the shoulder belt and feed the slack into the retractor. Close the snug lock lock-off. You can reattach the snaps on the seat pad and lower the headrest. Attach and tighten your tether. Now test for tightness by grabbing at the forward-facing belt path and moving the seat side to side and front to back. It shouldn't move more than 1 inch in either direction. If it does, open the snug lock lock-off, remove more slack, and close the lock off again. Be sure to check your level indicator to make sure that it is still within the orange range for forward-facing. Check for proper harness height. Straps should be at or just above the child's shoulders for forward-facing mode. Buckle the child in and attach the chest clip. Tighten the harness by pulling on the strap at the front of the car seat. Move the chest clip to armpit level. Do the pinch test. You should not be able to pinch any slack at the child's shoulders.